Hi, my name is Omar Azam. I'm with NJM Packaging, Promot brand. We're here today at Pack Expo in Chicago, and at the show we're introducing this new machine from NJM, the UNISPLICE 413. So this machine has the capability of automatically splicing pressure sensitive labels to go from one roll to the next roll and produce high quality end-to-end label splices automatically without the presence of an operator on the machine. So the operator just has to load the next roll of label and pre-stage that label end with tape, and the machine will automatically splice the label without the presence of the operator. So this machine will help you reduce or eliminate downtime when it comes to label supply and splices on your machine. Thank you very much.